Alright, and here she is, the finished product. Okay, just real quickly, we're going to go on a close-up here. Alrighty, you can see what we've done here. We've hooked up the connection here for the water that vents out the bottom here. We got this connection on, which tightens that up so that no water can get out of here, because it does make condensation. There's back in here, I don't know if you can see it, but there's a tube which runs back into there, which drains out all the water here because of the condensation. And then again, both of those vent out this side and run over out here. Okay, so all that's done. The wiring's back on, everything's back on. You can see the seal here, or the gasket material, all looks great. Everything's great, all bolted back down. She's on good and tight. The reason why I'm making this video is when we got this house, we bought the house because it was a beautiful house, but it was on the perfect property that we wanted. But this furnace was massively abused. So just to put it boldly, I should have taken before photos, because this whole thing underneath here was completely saturated. Everything was rust down underneath here. All this had to be redone, scraped off, sanded, and then redone. And then literally this right here was the major problem. And earlier I showed you on the other video what we had to do to remedy that. But now it's all remedied. And again, it's, this furnace is about 38 years old. We're probably going to get another 5 to 7 years out of it with this little enhancement that we've done. But these are really great furnaces. So if you have one of the older Amana furnaces, hey, if you can patch it up, they are phenomenal. They really are. This thing heats great. It does a wonderful job. I think our highest heating bill last year was like $112, and our house is really big, so I'm really impressed with this machine. Again, here's a scope of the whole thing right here. But here was the major problem. It was this being attached, and there was no seal back here, so everything was running and dripping down into the bottom, creating all sorts of problems. So again, thank you so much for watching the video. And hopefully this helps you. I wish somebody would have made this video a couple of years ago when I bought this house. It would have solved a lot of problems with what was going on with my furnace that I didn't realize. Thank you again. Have a good night.